Alright, Mr. Poole back here. Well, today we are finding equivalent fractions. Okay, there's a couple different ways to find equivalent fractions. The first way is, let's say you have a fraction like, we'll start off with 2/3, and you want to find equivalent fractions to that are bigger. If they're bigger, all you do is multiply by the same number and you will find equivalent fractions. So I multiply both sides by 2, I get 4/6. I multiply both sides by 3, I get 6/9, and so on. I multiply both sides by 4, I get 8/12. Okay, so all these are equivalent fractions. Okay, that's the easiest way to find equivalent fractions. The only numbers you cannot use is 0 and 1. So do not use 0 and 1. Why? Why not use 0 and 1? 0 will get you 0 as a fraction, so it totally eliminates your fraction. 1 will get you the same fraction. So if you do 1 times 2 and 1 times 3, you get 2/3 again. So you get the same fraction, so it doesn't give you an equivalent fraction. So the only thing you have to remember, don't use 0 and 1. Now, if you have a bigger fraction, and you want to find smaller fractions and bigger fractions, again, you can either multiply by the number or divide by a number. So for example, if you have 6/8, you can make a bigger number, or you can divide both numbers. If you say both 2 goes into that number, so you know to divide by 2, you can say an equivalent fraction is 3/4. Okay, so you can divide by both numbers by both sides. How about 6/10? 6/10, again, you can say 2 goes into that number, and you divide and you get 3/5 as an equivalent fraction. So you can find equivalent fractions with multiplication. You can find equivalent fractions with division. Okay, the thing you have to remember is to do the same to both sides. Okay, so just like having a brother and sister, if you buy one brother a cookie, you better buy the other sister a cookie or someone's going to be mad. So in this case, whatever you do to the numerator, you have to do to the denominator, and the same thing, whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. Alright, hope this helps you in finding many equivalent fractions. Again, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more math videos in the future. Alright, have a great day.